Okay guys, so you can see that it is time for me to start welding this undercarriage, and it looks bad, but I think I'm gonna be able to fix this. I know you're gonna say that probably it is gonna be better for me to take this off the car and do it properly, but as you can see, someone already started this process, and since I don't have the opportunity to dismount this from the car and do it properly, I'm gonna continue on the same path as the guys before me, and I'm gonna try to weld this in place. So I hope everything is gonna turn out well, and I have a bit of work that I need to do over here on the exhaust as well. This is gonna be all temporary. The type of project this car is, it is gonna be time consuming, but I'm gonna disassemble everything and do it properly. I won't cut any corners, but for now I haven't had the chance to test this car properly. She had a lot of problems, and since you can see the condition of these are the lines for the brakes, the rear brakes, I'm gonna have to deal with them as well. The leak on the differential needs addressing as well. So this isn't something that can be done just like that, but I need to be able to properly test this car, since I have replaced the fuel filter already, and you saw that she's kind of running now, almost good enough to be tested properly. So yeah, I'm gonna deal with this temporarily, and probably if the undercarriage from that Mercedes over there is better, I'm gonna swipe them, because that one is gonna be for drifting and stuff like that, so I can use this one on the gray Mercedes and swipe the undercarriage with that. We'll see. So for now I'm gonna start welding. I'm gonna weld some of the pieces, and then I'm gonna use these little metal stripes that I have prepared over here. I have prepared 2 of them, and I'm gonna install them like this over here to seal this gap and make it stronger. So I'm gonna jump to that, and we'll see how it is gonna turn out. Hopefully everything is gonna be nice and tidy. And this is it for now. Let's start welding. I've kind of decided to 3D print this thing with the welder, and it is kind of weird looking. Probably it isn't the nicest thing I've ever seen. I tried to weld that in the back over there, but the welder was keep shorting out here and there. It is kind of tight, so my electricity over here, the current is not the greatest, and I struggle when there is rust and remaining paint on the stuff. So probably it is looking shady, but I want to show you actually how strong this is. This is stronger than the original thing was. So now, no doubt it is gonna carry it is gonna be strong enough. It is gonna carry the weight. I ended up strengthening this part over here as well. So now it is okay. If this thing was on the ground, it would have been a completely different story. I had the problem seeing and welding in this position. Over here it is the same story. It's not the prettiest thing, but it is gonna do the cut. So hopefully this is gonna work, and I'm done with this. So I'm gonna install this cover over here, and I'm gonna go and deal with the mirror and the bumper so I can test this car finally. Well guys, before I go out and finish working on beneath the car, I want to see and let's check how is the oil level in the differential, if there is enough oil. Probably not. So I'm gonna top it up and we'll see how much oil it's gonna take. I have few items left in my list to do, and one of them is the bumper. The other one is the side mirror on the right side, and over here I have prepared in the scrub of valves. This is the lever, the mechanism for the windshield wiper and the blinkers that I need to replace. And before that, let me show you how to remove the bumper on Mercedes W124 in only 2 steps.